Good afternoon everyone. Today we are going to make video of AP exercise 5.1 and 5.2. So let's start with question number 1, first part of 5.1. Okay, I am here going to read question. The taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. So I am going to do question here.
You can explain more, we'll understand it. Explanation is must. Explain it how that series came.
A means first term, and first term in this question is 15. So A is equal to 15 and D is equal to 15 plus 8 is equal to 23. 23 minus 15 is equal to 8. So D is 8. And now we have to find that is this question AP or not. To find AP, we have to derive the formula A2 is equal to A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. 23 minus 15 is equal to 15 plus 8 plus 8, 31.
You can write in that sequence where you have written above only rupees 15. Good.
Yes, this.
So common difference is same now.
Yes, this equation is an AP.
Okay. Now you can choose some different type of question. Don't choose from this remaining part of question number 1. Choose some other.
Now we are going to do second question of exercise 5.1. Write first four terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. We are going to do fourth part of this question in which A is equal to minus 1 and D is equal to 1 by 2. First term A1 is equal to A is equal to minus 1. A2 is equal to A plus D minus 1 plus 1 by 2.
And how that A2 is A plus D is coming using which formula?
A plus n minus 1 into D.
An is equal to
A plus n minus 1 into
1
D.
into D, right? Very good.
Here we are going to take n is equal to 2 and n is equal to 1. We are take LCM of this minus 2 by 2 plus 1. So here answer comes minus 1 by 2, which is A2, n is equal to 3. A3 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus 2D. Minus 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2, in which 2 and 2 get cancelled. Minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0.
Okay, now you can choose something from 5.2.
Now we are going to do.
Don't choose question number 1 that we have seen and choose some word problem. There are many if you are confident.
Yes, sir. We are going to do question number 13
Good.
from this exercise.
First read the question.
Yes, sir. Question number 13 says that how many 3-digit number are divisible by 7? So the first 3-digit number which are going to be divisible by 7 is 105, 112 and 119. And the last digit is 994.
Very good. So 994 you have marked up, huh?
Yes.
Show our audience that 994 is divisible by 7.
7. 14 is a 98. 114. 2.
Good, good, good.
14.
Carry on, carry on.
A1 105, A2 112, and A3 119, and it is 994 is AN. A1 is equal to A is equal to 105. D is equal to A2 minus A1. 112 minus
112 minus 105. One and the same thing. Common difference will come same only. Don't worry.
D is equal to 7.
ठीक है. There you can write down A3 minus A2. You have taken A3 minus A2 as D na. But D is same whether you take A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2.
Yes,
it
sir.
is one and the same thing.
AN is given 9.
What you have to find out in this question?
How many 3 N?
N you have to write down. N is equal to question mark there.
We can solve this by AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is given that 994 is equal to A 105 plus N we have to find out N minus 1 and D is 7. 994 minus 105 is equal to 7N minus 7. $889. 7N minus 7. Now this minus 7 will come here and 7N is equal to 889 plus 7. 7N is equal to 896 and is equal to 128.
Very good. You can choose one more question. Last question. Maybe that
Yes.
Shubha Rao one or.
Sir, Subbar, 19th question from exercise 5.2. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach 7,000? A 5,000. Increment is 200 each year.
You can get aside from the board.
Yes, sir. A1, A2, A3, and AN is 7,000, 5,000, 5,200, 5,400, 7,000. In this, we have to find AN in which year her salary goes to rupees 7,000. So, is equal to 5,000. D is equal to A2 minus A1.
Okay, you can tell me the answer.
Sir, I have to solve it.
Okay. Okay, good. 7,000 equal to 5,000 plus and minus. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.